Installing your ArmorSuit Full Body MilitaryShield. The package includes a spray bottle, a squeegee, a microfiber cloth, the MilitaryShield, and instructions. First, turn off your device to prevent any possible damage. Check to make sure you have washed clean dry hands and a clean dust-free environment. Clean your device using the microfiber cloth. We will begin with the back piece, so put aside these side pieces for later. Identify the cutouts and know where they will fit. Shake the spray bottle before use. Evenly spray on top of the MilitaryShield. Before peeling off the shield, spray your fingertips. Use your moistened fingertips to peel the back piece off. Then evenly spray the adhesive side. Position the adhesive side face down on your device and slide it around to match all cutouts and edges. Hold down the shield and starting from the center, slide the squeegee across the shield in an outward motion. Turn it around and continue pushing out all of the solution and air bubbles. Spray on top of the MilitaryShield to make it easier for the squeegee to slide across. Reposition to make sure it's still in place. We will begin adhering the side pieces one by one. They will wrap around the sides of the phone. Begin by peeling off one of the pieces and spray 2 to 3 pumps of solution on the adhesive side. Then, position it where it belongs and adjust with your fingers. Wrap the remaining strip along the curved edge. Spray directly on the squeegee on both sides and slide it across to smooth out bubbles. Follow these same steps for all the side pieces. Set it on a flat surface overnight. We recommend 12 to 24 hours for best results. Next day, you are ready to clean your device. Any tiny bubbles or streaks will disappear within a few days. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please visit ArmorSuit.com for more information.